You know the drill here. If you are new here, go check out my other videos of Temu items that I got from Temu. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just the end of today's video. Again, this is part 3 of Temu Haul. Today's package came packed like this. There is quite a lot in here, but we're gonna see what's there. Okay, I have a story time before we open this package. Okay. Oh my god, this is purple. This is not pink. I will leave a picture, maybe here or here. There are 50 pieces. Yes, they are 50 pieces. And this is the card. It is a thank you card. I'm gonna remove one and show you. On the thing, it looked pink and gold. This doesn't look like pink and gold at all. I don't know what this is. Focus, camera, focus. Oh, these are so cute. These are hair clips. They are so cute. They come packed like this in this package and they look like this. So I got these thickening type plastic wrap covers. I don't know if you guys are aware or you have seen this somewhere. Probably if you are a frequent traveler and you have gone to hotels, you have met with these things. So these are plastic bags, okay? And they have different purposes. And I have a purpose for using this one. So it is very tiny. It has an elastic band. So you open it like this and then cover whatever you're covering. And the good thing is they are reusable, or you can dispose them off well where they're supposed to be disposed. They are 100 pieces. Next we have this hair. I know what this is. These are hair clips. I will put a picture of what this looks like, okay? This is a hair ribbon. It is so cute. I like how it looks like. I like the material. It's very nice, but not the best that I would have expected it to be. They are called clip abris, and I took in 2 colors, black and red. I'm trying to build my gorgeous, amazing wardrobe capsule, and I need things to accessorize my hair that are going to be able to match with very normal, simple colors. You see, like this, whatever I'm wearing can go with either red or black, so depending on how you want it. So we have this. I don't know what this is, but so this is like a skin tight, like stockings. These are stockings, and I realized that here I am a size extra small or small, but when it comes to stockings, I always go for the extra extra large. Why? The size small are very, very small, like children size small, and I'm a tall lady, so it gets to my knees and that's it. So the extra extra large is good for me, and I know my size now. It's almost autumn, and yeah, I was looking for something to wear during autumn in case I feel cold, but I don't want to wear jeans. I don't like jeans. I'm not sure if you can see the pattern of the stocking, but it's very, very nice. I love it. Somebody told me to get this from Temu, and I was a bit skeptical. It comes with a little razor. I don't know why, but razor. It has a little brush, and I chose this in black because there was no pink or white. It has a cuticle remover. It has a scraper. This is what I have a problem with. Well, it doesn't look like it's falling off anytime soon, so okay. Oh yeah, the callus remover where you put the blade and the everything. There is a file. There's another foot file, and there's another. This is the abrasive one, like very, very abrasive. Yes, this is what I was looking for. These are the other hair clips where they hold your hair when you're doing makeup. They are only 6 and I got them in white. Love, 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 love. Well, my hair is not on my face, but yeah. I got a phone cover. I think Temu has the best phone covers I've seen so far, and they're quite affordable. So I was looking for a phone cover that has a ring, and I got it, and I got it in black, as you can see. I do not like the shiny surfaces, but this is what they had, so this is what I had to take. And we're gonna try and see if it fits on the phone just now. Not bad. Doesn't twist or turn at all, nothing. Doesn't do all that. But I wish, the thing is, I wish it was more, instead of opening upward like this, I wish it was opening like to the right or to the left instead of up and down, because who holds their phone like this with this thing upward? I don't know. Do you? If you do, let me know. I'd prefer like this because I'm tired of my little finger resting on the bottom of the phone. It's a bit heavy for the little finger, so yeah. Again, we have, no way. This is another phone cover. I'm disappointed. Like, what the heck? I'm not sure if this is gold, because what are these two colors? Somebody tell me. Do you see the difference between this gold and this one? Can somebody see? And I'm not sure I choose gold. Maybe I choose black. I will check that. Anyway, yeah, this is what it looks like, and it looks so cheap. I don't like it. I even prefer the black one. I'm disappointed with that, for sure. So this is a magnetic bag. Rose of Normans. It has a magnetic thing here. I got this because I want to be putting in here my perfumes, my AirPod, something small that can just easily disappear in your handbag. I got this for that purpose. These are razors. You can see they are 5 and they're black in color. I do not wish to get them off this paper before I finish using the other ones. Golden chain broke into pieces and I was disappointed, and I'm yet to find another one. So until I find another one. Are you broken? It's broken. I'm just realizing now because I was not understanding what is happening here. Oh my god. See, one of my golden chain broke and I did not have the golden chain that supports the length of the chain, and now it's broken, and now I needed something because it's very dear to me. So this is broken. I need to return this. Another one is this one. This looks nice. Actually, okay, here maybe you can see. So this is the consistency of the previous golden chain that I had. So you're supposed to store it like this, okay? And what I used to do was just like, you know, just like drop it somewhere, not giving much attention to it. But now I've learned my lesson and it's not gonna happen again. I fell in love with the earring hoops that I bought the other day, and I also got it again. I got it again. Very good, yeah. I do not know why they gave me this watch adjusting thing, but they did. Very thoughtful of this store. They even have a manual. This is the only thing in this box that has a manual. Everything else is just like amazing. Oh, love this. See, even the quality of the wrapping is like not normal plastic. No noise. Money doesn't make noise. Or it does, but in a very nice way. Look at that. Look at that. I'm definitely going to resize it because my wrist is so tiny. I just wasted money buying other types of watches. I think this is the favorite thing that I love the most. We are done. I was approached by an online shopping brand to do like a collabo with them, but I'm not sure how people work here because I've done this before and the level of which they want to work with me, I don't know, it's because I'm from a different ethnicity, who knows. So the pay was a little bit little, and when I did my research and found out that that's not actually what's supposed to pay, I just said no, and they were like, okay. I'm like, okay. So the deal wasn't matching what they were asking and what I can offer and deliver. I will always give my honest reviews on items that I have got, even if it is a sponsored item. I'm not going to lie to people about it, okay? And my opinion is just my opinion and my experience with the item. That is it for today's video, guys. You know what to do. All those things YouTubers say, do that for me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.